Hello, my name is Robert. I was here previously at Smile Hair Clinic in December 2021. I found the whole process really good, really easy. It really did change my life. Hello, my name is Robert. I am from the UK and Scotland. I was here previously at Smile Hair Clinic in December 2021. On that occasion I came with a friend. I found the whole process really good, really easy. To book, everything was done for me so that on arrival at the airport we were picked up, brought to the hotel, and everything from there leading up to the procedure was very good. It really did change my life. The confidence that I have now since having the procedure is tenfold.
Hello dear patients and our followers, I'm Dr. Ahmedov, hair transplant surgeon from Smile Hair Clinic. Today I have a really good guest, Robert, my patient. He had surgery with us back in December of 2021, so it's more than like 2.5 years from now that he had the surgery. Robert had the normal type 5 of the hair loss, meaning the loss of the front hairline, open and front side, mid-scalp and the crown areas. We made the classic surgical planning for the Robert. We rebuilt the front hairline and covered the front side and the mid-scalp with the cover of the crown area. He had the 3,700 grafts transplanted, 3,200 transplanted to the front side and 500 grafts transplanted to the mid-scalp. The idea of the surgery was to rebuild the front frame of the face, meaning the front side and the mid-scalp, because whoever sees you, like 60 to 70% of frown outlook is this side. So we particularly pay attention to the front side because people mostly see from the front side is covered with a good density.
So the reaction from my relatives back home was very positive. They all knew that I was coming to have the procedure done the first time and were very supportive, and I don't think that they could have anticipated how well the results would be following my first procedure. The process from the start, following the operation to full results was truly amazing, and my family are always complimenting me on how good my hair looks. Smile Hair, I was advised by the doctor that to get the best results I should use certain medications. The first one was finasteride, which I already knew about. A friend of mine had been using it since he was younger to help prevent the loss of his hair, so I knew a bit about it. I did some research also and was convinced that that was definitely the way that I should go also. On top of that, I was told that I should use minoxidil solution on my hair. I have been doing that since the last operation. And again, I think the results speak for themselves. Since I've had my operation or my procedure done at Smile Hair, I have had many people ask about it, and in relation to that I have had probably maybe 2 or 3 people that have came to Smile Hair to have the procedure done. I also have another friend who is planning on coming this month as well to have a procedure done, so they can see the results for themselves. I have explained how it all works, and they're happy enough to do it, so therefore they are also having the procedures done.
Now we can see from the pictures that Robert has a really good result. It's a life-changing surgery for the patient. Okay, we have rebuilt the front hairline. We have rebuilt the frame of the face. He has his identity now. That's very important for us. The hairline looks really natural. It doesn't stand out with some unreal or weird shapes. It has a sharp angles to the corner that's very specific to the male type of the hairline. We have a good coverage in the front side, and look at the picture, you can see that he got younger for at least 10 years. The patient is happy, we are happy. We have the good coverage in the front hairline, front areas, and in the mid-scalp. So he has a good result, the front side and the mid-scalp.
So following my first procedure, it's very important obviously for the first couple of weeks that you take good care of the implanted hairs, but the staff at Smile Hair give you very good instructions on how to do that and how to wash the new follicles, the new hair. They give you shampoos and foam to help make sure that the process or the procedure works out well. So for the first 14 days you do have to be careful to make sure that you don't bump your head, don't wear hats, things that may interrupt the follicles. But if you stick to that, then there should be no issues at all. So if you are considering coming along to Smile Hair for a hair transplant, I would 100% recommend it. The procedure, everything is so easy. The fact that you can pay Smile Hair and they arrange for your accommodation, your transport from the airport to the clinic, etc. It's very, very easy, and also one payment. That only leaves you to arrange your flights or if you are coming from a foreign country. But I would thoroughly recommend coming along to Smile Hair to have a procedure done.